as Frank Sinatra.
So the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Friends, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full, I've traveled each and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he is not to say the things he dreams, and not the words of one who yields. And through it all, I had a ball and did it my way.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Porter as Frank Sinatra.
Ladies and gentlemen, your very own Carnival legend. So I say thank you for the music, the songs we're singing. Thanks for all we're bringing. Who could live without it? We ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song and a dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it.
Ladies and gentlemen, again presenting your very own Carnival Legends. Let's hear it for Angela Bazulis as James Brown.
Thank you for the music, the songs.
Melissa Capri as Aretha Franklin.
Thanks for all the joy.
Landon Graham as Elton John.
Without it, we ask
Tony Hatch as Garth Brooks.
what would life be?
Debbie Abbott as Madonna. Brittany Merritt as Britney Spears. Shea Potter as Ricky Martin. Alicia Williams as Gloria Stefan. Jason Allison as Elvis Presley. And Tony Porter as Frank Sinatra. Keep it going, we have Greg and Melody from the entertainment team. Henry the Big Band.
So I say thank you for the music. Thank you for the music, for bringing it to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, let them hear your fellow guests and Carnival Legends. Put those hands together, come on.
Look me me over. Tell me, do you like what you see?
One more time, guys.